Hi guys, welcome back. I am Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com, and today I am going to discuss the chart pattern of Whirlpool. The full name is Whirlpool of India. Everybody knows what the Whirlpool is. They are one of the best electronic goods manufacturer, and if we have a look at it, it was down along with the pandemic, and the high was made of 2562, and the low was made on a single day. It was down to 1347, but it moved up on the same day and closed at 1662. So 1662 was the lowest close on 23rd or 24th of March. From there, it has rallied in a zigzag way. It has gone up, gone down, gone up, gone down, then again up, down. So it is trading in a Dow theory, and here first time, not only first time, it had made a chart pattern here. That was the cup with handle pattern. If you have a look at here, it had connected in the same dot on 23rd of April, then 3rd June, then it was on 18th June, and then it gave a breakout, but that breakout could not go up to the target level, which was earlier would have been set. Let's see the depth to neckline of this cup with handle pattern, and if we take it from the neckline, so this target would have been 2477. So if you cannot see this, I'll show you here where the cup with handle pattern was made. It was made here. It was the cup, and it was the handle, and here it was the breakout. So here at this level 2157, there was a breakout, and the target would have been 2477. It started falling again here, but I can sense and I can see here that one more chart pattern is being developed here. If you could have a look at, so just to make it much more visible, I would just remove all the other drawings we have just drawn up here. So right now there are two connecting dots here. It had gone up to this level on 6th of July, and then again on 23rd of July. So I can see that this is a head and shoulder pattern which is in making here. I'll show you here how this is being made. So this is the shoulder, and this is the head which is in making, and it should go like this, and then it should make a right shoulder here, then it should move up. Okay, so you may be thinking about that this is very imaginary thing, Vivek, you are telling us, but let me tell you, all successful traders have been able to anticipate that this particular chart pattern is going to which kind of shape, and how the future would be looking like as far as that particular chart pattern is concerned. So I have tried this kind of looking at the right hand side of the chart pattern once that chart pattern is half made, and most of the time this is being correct. And here also I do think that this is the lowest low of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this is the low of the head, and from here it should bounce back up to the neckline, which is the 2297, and currently it is quoting at 2019. So there could be an upside of 300 points from here, exactly not 300 but 275 points, which is more than 10%, and then it should retrace back. It should give us a pull back just to make it exactly head and shoulder pattern, and then the target would be from this lowest low of this head till the neckline, and it would be set from this neckline on the upside to 2600. I think this is being the target. Yes, 2611. So if we do make a position here at 2019, then the upside movement could be of huge 600%, and 600% on 2019 is going to be 600 points, that is 30%. So now what is my rationale here to assume that this is the low of the head now, and there is a very less probability that it will go further down from here? That is, there are two three things which is happening from here. Number one, let me just remove this drawing to have more clarity on the chart. Number one, it is taking the same support here, and which is a very nice huge support. So it was a great support here, and it is taking a support here again. How it is taking a support? There are two things again. One, this is taking a support here. Second, it is in a rounding shape. This fall has been in rounding shape, and I have already discussed in many charts before this that when a stock is falling in a rounding shape, then this is more of an accumulation and not a distribution. So here this is a rounding fall. Before this it had made a left shoulder. This rounding shape is taking a support here at the previous support level. So again, that is one more good factor. And one more thing is happening here. If we move to the 1 hour chart here, from the daily chart, we can see there was a gap up here on the hourly chart, and after showing a gap up, there was an another candle, of the same size, and from there it started retracing again, but it did not break this support level before this, which was the lowest low. So today also again there was at the before the end of closing, it just shone here exactly, a huge up move again. So it is a sign of strength. During the day, whole day, it was just consolidating with the very small candles. There are very very small candles, and it came down just because of there was a overall fall in the global market because of our Indian market was also under pressure. There was no such fall just relating to India, but because of global factors, our Indian market was also showing a fall. So if we have a look at here on the hourly chart, from the daily chart, if we move to we have already moved here to hourly chart. So this is left shoulder, and this is the head, and this head could be, I'm just drawing it in the advance, having a look at the right side of the picture, how it would look like. It should be just like this, and from this level it would just it should go give us a breakout, and this breakout would be of healthy up move, which is going to be a great upside potential. We had seen this on the daily chart. Again, just to reiterate and just to have a much more better clarity, and just to revise that we used to while we were in college, just to we were revising everything. So we are revising here also at 2600 is the target which is going to be. So there could be a 30% up move from here. And the beauty of this chart is, see, the stop loss is going to be very very small. So that is the beauty. So tomorrow in the morning, we could be going long here, and what is the stop loss? The stop loss is going to be just if the daily candle or hourly candle close below this 1980 level. So if we do enter here at 2020, and the stop loss level is 1980, so this is going to be only 2% stop loss, and the target could be up to 30% if we could hold that stock for next 2-3 months. So this is how we can have a look at, and by doing a lot of practice, we can start making the right hand side of the chart. Once we can sense and we can logically understand that which kind of shape or which setup it is going to be in this particular setup. Once again, that Whirlpool is one of the greatest company listed on Indian stock exchanges, and if it does go up to that level, it is going to make a new lifetime high, and which it will eventually make. There is no doubt about it. See, if you could have a look at the early performance of this chart, if we do have a look at, so I have just opened the weekly chart from here in 2010 124 to 20 600 it had touched earlier, so it is already multi-bagger. So we can see the performance, it always make a new lifetime high, and this time also it would make, there is no doubt. And this inverse head and shoulder pattern is in making. So why to wait for this breakout to happen above this 2286? Why not to enter here? And if we are wrong, even I'm not saying that we cannot go wrong technically, but if we are wrong, then there would be a stop loss only of 2%. But if we are right, then immediately it is going to shoot up from here, and in next 1.5 months it is going to give us more than 10% first, and then break out from here, then it is going to give us a total of almost 30% return. So this is how we can always have a look at. And if you have you not subscribed the channel, do subscribe and do like, because I will keep on coming in with more technical ideas like this. But one disclaimer is here, that this is a technical chart pattern, and I have tried here to make you understand how you can anticipate and how you can make right side of the chart, just to have a better benefit of your overall technical knowledge. So I will keep on coming in with more knowledge, just to polish our technical and investing skills. Do subscribe. Once again, I'm just reiterating again. So take care, have a nice trading. I'm Vivek Singhal from tradingwithvivek.com. Thank you.